How to clear cache or junk files on Windows 10 or 11. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily clear your cache or junk files on your Windows 10 or 11. So first thing first, simply head over to your keyboard and click on, let me just show you an example by showing on this on-screen keyboard. So what you can do is simply press Windows and R on your keyboard and simply click on. Once you search in the keyword called temporary on temp on your run button, simply click on OK and you will be redirected to this screen where you basically see a lot of temporary files stored, unnecessary file, temporary file stored on your computer. So simply click on delete, and once it's done, just head back to your desktop screen. So once you're here, simply again click on Windows R, and to clear your junk files, what you can do is simply click %temp %, just like this. And once you do that, simply hit enter, and again you will be redirected to this screen. So this you see right here is basically a lot of junk files which you don't need temporarily on your device. So you can also delete them just like this by hitting the delete button over here and simply click on this. And if it's not deleting for all of the files, simply click on skip, or also click on cancel, and once again close the screen. And what you can do is simply click once more Windows R, and now what you can do is just type in what I type here, that is clean mgr. So what it basically does is it is used for this cleanup drive selection. So if your operating system is, it basically directly selects the driver or a directory where your operating system is installed. So my operating system is installed in C, so it will automatically detect that. So simply click on OK, and after that you can select any of the file, temporary internet files, Windows error file, cache files, select recycle bin files just like this and hit OK, and your files, temporary files, will be cleaned up. So that is it guys for today's video. Hope it was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.